Today I'm going to show you how you can install 2 WhatsApp applications on LENOVO 10e Chromebook. So in the first step we have to open the Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and look for the WhatsApp Business app. Install this application, and by this quick way we have a 2 WhatsApp application from the official source. Now the second method, open the Play Store and look for the 2 Accounts app. Install that one and open. Agree the terms. And tap on the WhatsApp icon. Then the whole process starts automatically and we are creating the next WhatsApp application on this device. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.